Next to me is one of the most prestigious parts of our fleet here at SSR Experience. This is a Lamborghini Huracan 580-2 in red. Now this isn't just a regular Lamborghini Huracan. It has a fully custom Vorsteiner carbon kit that includes the front lip, side skirts, and diffuser. Not only that, it's been lowered on custom Brada wheels, which give it that menacing look. But the fun doesn't end there. We've gone ahead and done some crazy performance upgrades to push this Lamborghini Huracan through a stage 2 tune and a fully custom exhaust system that is exited through a center exit. This car is available for rent here in Orange County and Los Angeles, California. Pickup or delivery, we make it happen. This car is crazy fun. Whether it's for a dinner, wedding, or just a cruise with the boys, this car is the perfect car to do so. Available for rent here at SSR Experience.